Okay, students, for a fun Friday activity, I've recruited Miss Unk. She's going to help show us how to juggle. See if you can try it this weekend. She's got 3 baseballs in her hand. Go for it, Miss Unk.
All right, so boys and girls, you need 3 items that are the same size, preferably a little bit heavier. Before you start juggling, you take 2 of them and put them either in your right hand or your left hand. You take the front ball and you throw it up, and then you, as it comes down, you throw, well, you're supposed to catch them in theory, but as you throw this one up, as it's coming down, that's when you throw that down. And you learn how to juggle with 2 first. You have to be able to do that successfully with your right hand and your left. Moving forward, you put 2 in one hand, 1 here. Think of a triangle is how you do it. So when I throw the front ball up to this corner, as it's coming down, I'm taking this one and throwing it up. And then you just kind of rotate back and forth. Let's see if we can do it. It's been a while. So your thing is, you have to be able to realize when it's coming down before you throw the next one up to catch. And you have to be mobile. You gotta be able to walk around, boys and girls. Like that.
All right. Thank you, Mrs. Unk, for that demonstration.
Remember, up. As it's coming down, you throw the next one up and catch it. And you just keep rotating back and forth.
All right. Thank you for that demonstration, Mrs. Unk, and we hope some of you guys give it a try. Maybe you could put it on Flipgrid for us or some other place so we can see you try. Bye. All right, students, so I'm gonna see if I can show you how to juggle. I've got 3 baseballs in my hand. Start out practicing with 1 hand, right? Just do 2 with 1 hand and get the idea, right? That's how you start teaching yourself how to juggle. Just do 2 at first. Practice throwing 1 and then throwing the next before you catch it. Start out small, switch hands. Do it with your left hand too, right? Just practice that. Now, when you want to do 3, you just have to move another ball into it and you're tossing it just slightly over to the other hand. You don't want to make big tosses. Nice, small, and controlled tosses is the idea, right? And that's the idea. I hope you give it a try this weekend. Hope you try it for a fun Friday activity. See if you too can learn how to juggle. It takes a lot of practice. And don't be afraid to drop one once in a while. Okay? Bye. All right, students, we'll try this one more time, and this time we're going to try something easier. If you want to learn how to juggle, try using plastic bags to make it easier on yourself. So if you had a hard time using tennis balls or baseballs or any other small objects, try this because they float a little better and it'll make it easier to catch. So once again, you take 3 cheap plastic bags. You could also use scarves or something like that, and you hold them like this. Now, what you do is you take and you throw 1 in the air and then you watch it, okay? And then you let it come down, right? And so you're teaching yourself the motions of juggling just like that, right? And it's a little bit easier to catch, right? So you throw them up there and you get your catch down, right? And it just shows you the motions of juggling and gets the idea and the muscle memory down so that you can start to learn how to do it, especially if you're having a hard time trying to do it with a ball, with 3 balls or something like that. Start out with 3 plastic bags or 3 scarves and try learning how to juggle that way. So last one, here we go. I hope you try it, and you can still drop it, don't get discouraged. Hope you try it. I hope you have a great weekend and a great Friday. I hope you try it and show us if you do. Bye. Okay, students, if you're looking for something to juggle with, another thing you could try finding around the house, 3 pieces of fruit. In this case, I have 3 lemons here. Now make sure you ask your parents' permission before you start tossing fruit around the house. However, these can make good juggling objects, right? So you keep 3 pieces of fruit. You want them all to be roughly the same size, and you can use those to juggle in case you don't have something else. Another thing that might work is something like rolled up socks. That might be a good option for juggling as well. So give it a try and have a great weekend. Bye.